Hi guys, today we are at Jatayu Earth Centre. Planning a trip to Jatayu Earth Centre can be an exciting adventure, and I'll be sharing few tips to help make your experience as enjoyable as possible. Firstly, research the location and climate before heading to the location. Research about the climate as sometimes due to bad or unexpected weather conditions, they may stop the operation of cable car. And in case you plan to go with elderly people, it will be very difficult to climb 800 steps to reach the top, which happened when I visited this location. Due to extreme winds, the ropeway was not in operation. They will surely inform you at the entrance itself in this situation. Also, check opening hours on the day you are planning to visit. Make sure to pack all the essentials like reusable water bottles, as plastic bottles are not allowed. Food is not allowed. Take goggles, sunscreen, hats for sure. Wear shoes and comfortable clothes. They provide free water at few spots as you climb up the stairs. Kindly dispose the waste in the bins and respect nature and the environment. It is safe for female solo travelers as well. I went solo on a scooty. If you are brave enough, you can offer a scooty or two-wheeler ride by yourself. It's not that difficult to ride on these hills. Make sure to be alert all the time just to be safe. Please note only cash is accepted at the entrance. Entry fee is rupees 350 for entrance and walkway. For cable car and other activities, the charges will increase. It depends on the weather conditions if these are available or not. When I went, it wasn't available due to weather conditions. Timings for this location is from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. You get juice and other stuff to hydrate yourself once you reach the top. I love how the park seamlessly blends adventure with the natural beauty of the surroundings. The park also has a distinctive 1.5-kilometer long walkway called the Jatayu Nature Trail that takes you through lush greenery, rocky terrain, and serene water bodies. It's a great way to connect with nature and appreciate the biodiversity of the region. I really enjoy strolling along the trail, taking in the sights and sounds of the nature. Jatayu Earth Centre is a colossal nature park and adventure center that's situated in the beautiful hills of Chadayamangala in the southern state of Kerala. The first thing that strikes you about this place is its sheer size. It's spread over 65 acres of land, making it one of the largest parks of its kind in the world. This alone sets the stage for an incredible adventure. This park has the world's largest bird sculpture. The sculpture measures 200 feet long, 150 feet wide, 70 feet in height, and occupies 15,000 square feet of floor area. It is at an elevation of 350 meters above the mean sea level. It's not just a statue though, it's also a destination for adventure enthusiasts as it houses a 6D theater, an audio-visual museum which will soon be opened, and a cable car ride that gives visitors a bird's eye view of the stunning surroundings. I think it's commendable how the park promotes ecotourism and responsible travel practices. One of the highlights for me was the panoramic view of the surrounding hills and valleys. The park gives you a breathtaking vantage point from which to take it the natural beauty of Kerala. I couldn't help but capture some stunning footage of the landscape, and I'm excited to share with all of you in this vlog. This park is dedicated to the mythical bird Jatayu from the Indian epic the Ramayana. People say that Jatayu tried to rescue Sita from Ravana, but unfortunately he was fatally wounded in the process. The park pays homage to this heroic bird, and the entire park layout is inspired by this tale, which I think is a really unique concept. The nature park is not just about mythology and longer than life sculptures, though. It's also an ecotourism destination that offers a range of outdoor activities to get your adrenaline pumping. There's also a temple inside this park. Overall, my visit to the Jatayu Earth Centre has been truly memorable. As I wrap up, I want to encourage all of you to consider visiting the Jatayu Earth Centre. It's definitely worth adding to your travel bucket list. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next vlog.